Hi, I'm Misty. I'm the manager of Fight Health Club. People are saying incredible things about the 12-week No Excuse program. Here are just a few things they are saying.
This is my first time doing this 12-week challenge here, and it's been fantastic.
I needed to lose weight, and they had this 12-week no excuse program, and I thought, well, that's exactly what I need.
I wanted to be in the best shape of my life and learn how to eat right.
I wanted to get in shape and look good on my wedding day. I wanted to get back into some old clothes that I wasn't able to wear for a while.
I want to be one of those people that when I'm old, I'm still out kayaking and hiking and not, getting around with a cane or a walker.
I'm getting older, but I don't want to be old and fat. I'll stick with just old.
The trainers are amazing. They push you way beyond what you would ever push yourself.
I needed someone to kick me in the butt.
They're not going to push you more than you can handle, but they definitely push you.
They tell you if you're loafing, they let you know.
I feel a whole lot better.
Definitely feel better than 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Every workout, it seems like I can lift more weight and my clothes are fitting much better.
It's nice being able to buy regular clothes.
My pants fit a lot better. I had to buy new pants.
You feel great, you eat right, you sleep right, you want to be here.
They really go into depth and teach you. So it's not just for the 12 weeks, it's for your whole life.
They teach you how to eat, when to eat, how to work out, when to work out, and it's amazing.
First, make sure you want to do it, and then get over here and do it, because they don't let you off.
Definitely go for it.
One of the best decisions I've ever made, no doubt about it.
Definitely do it. It works. If you stay focused and if you do what they're asking you to do and stick with it, you will definitely lose weight.
So stop by Fight Health Club and sign up for the 12-week No Excuse program.